everyone. Today
Not yet. You don't have viewers yet. Come on. What do we say?
hello everyone. Hi everybody. Today, Mr.
We are going live
We're
today.
going live today. And
Talk to them.
Nina.
Come on. Say hi. Look, they're saying hi to you and giving hearts. Say thank you for the hearts.
Going to the heights.
You see? Lots of hearts, oh.
And Daddy.
Hmm? What?
Daddy's finger.
They say hi. Hi, baby.
I'm not baby.
Oh, look, mommy's work. Mommy's work is sending hearts. Dreamscape. Say hi, Dreamscape.
Mommy, does your work?
Yes. Dreamscape. Can you say Dreamscape?
James cake.
Say please. Oopsie. Wait. Oh no. There's a message.
Yes, this is a message.
Oh. See, they're asking, sabi nila, Feliz. Hi, Feliz. Kissing ka pa? Say, opo.
Opo.
Say hi, baby
Mommy,
Feliz.
Mom, Kuya Aiden's not here?
Kuya Aiden?
Yes, Kuya Aiden's not here.
Oh, Kuya Aiden's not here yet. Feliz, you're so cute daw. Are you cute?
No.
They're asking, nasan si David?
Daddy. Not David, Daddy. Daddy David. Daddy David. Oh. Daddy David. Daddy David.
Daddy David.
Not David. Daddy David.
David.
Ay! Show me basta.
Oh, wait. Don't press it.
Okay, basta. Daddy David. Daddy David. Daddy David.
Can you copy Daddy David? Paano si Daddy David on
David
TV?
David. David David.
Paano if Daddy David is mad?
Yes.
Acting. Paano? Show them. Action! Paano mad si Daddy David? Paano mad? You act. Are you shy?
Yes, I'm sorry.
Oh, don't be shy. Okay, say bye-bye na. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody. We have visitors.
Yes.
Bye.